Good news, everyone! If you have an RZ30, RZ50, RZ70 Onkyo, or you have Pioneer Elite 105, 305, 505, and 805, there's a new firmware update released at the end of November last year, but I forgot to tell you until now. What you need to do is grab the remote, press the house key, which takes you to home menu, and from there, go to system setup. From there, go to miscellaneous, press enter, and then go to firmware update. Press enter again. And if you haven't updated to the latest firmware update, the update via net will light up. Go there and press enter and let the receiver do its thing. Having downloaded this update to VSX105, RZ50, and LX805, which is mine, the entire update will take about 15 minutes to 20 minutes. Your miles may vary. And when done, the receiver will shut off. And on the front panel, it will say completed. And from there, power up the receiver again using the power button on the front panel of the receiver. And here it is, the list of all the updates done by the firmware update. Enjoy, but don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.